Welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about network protocols. Okay, so network protocols. First of all, what is a protocol? Well, in a human protocol, the rules that govern how people communicate. For example, two people might bow to each other to establish a greeting or shake hands. People, when sending a letter, we have a certain protocol we have to use. We put the sender information up here and who it's going to down here. And that information has to be in a specific order. Okay? And we put the stamp here. If you don't follow this protocol, chances are the post office is not going to be able to deliver your letter. Okay? Here we have somebody greeting somebody, just saying hello or hi. Okay, and common protocol is that the person responds with a hi, hello, some sort of greeting. Okay, well, in network communications, we take a lot of what we do in human communications, and it's very similar for digital communications. So a network protocol. Network protocol is the rules that govern how digital information is transmitted. This includes the format and the size of the message, timing of the message, required response and timeouts. And this will all become more familiar to you as we talk about these protocols in later videos, later in this course. Okay, but just some quick examples here. Here we have an IPv4 header and an IPv6 header. Don't worry about what these are right now, what IP is used for. But the IPv4 header, notice, has a different format and also different size than the IPv6 header. In establishing a connection, for example, we have a client computer establishing a communication with a server. Let's say this is a web server. There's a protocol called TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. And one of the things TCP does is establishes that connection. So the client will send a message, a TCP message, saying, I would like to establish a connection with you. The server will respond saying, you know what, I received your request and I want you to know it's okay with me. And the client will respond back saying, I want you to know that I received your response saying that it's okay with you. So again, we'll learn more about these protocols and how they're all used throughout this course. Okay, one last thing I want to just mention is, first of all, protocols are usually part of a suite of protocols. We'll discuss this in a later video. Also, typically transmission requires multiple protocols. So when the client or server is sending information to the other device, usually we have some sort of data, and right here, and it is, we'll talk about this in a later video, but encapsulated uses many different protocols. So here we see this particular message requires the HTTP protocol, TCP, IP, and Ethernet. And we'll talk more about all this in a later video.